Hi there. If you want to check all the comments you have made on Facebook, then this video is going to show you how to do it. Log into your Facebook account. Come to the top right corner at Profile Picture. Click it and go to Settings and Privacy. Then Activity Log. Finally, come to the Comments section. Now, here you will find all the comments you made on the posts of groups, pages, or your own post, as well as replies. The dates indicates the time you commented in. If you need to check one, come to View at the right side. And it will open the post as well as your comment. So, this is how you can simply check your activity log of comments in Facebook. Please be with us and also subscribe to Inspire. Goodbye.